Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. This is my student Janani.
Hello everyone, I am Janani from 2nd BSc Computer Science, Graphic and Creative Design.
Now we are going to share some information about the big data as a case study. The data, first the data, we have to know about the data. The data is nothing but it is a collection of information. But the big data is the large amount of collection of information or huge amount of information is called the big data. It is mostly come under the machine learning, predictive modeling and advanced techniques using the problem solving and decision making. Jenny, can you say what is the difference between the big data and data?
Normally we work on the data of MB to GB. When we come to the big data, it's about petabytes, that is 10 to the power 15 bytes. So this is called big data.
Example for MB and GB are Word document, Excel, movies. They are some of the example for data. The next is characteristics of big data. There are 5 characteristics of big data. The first one is volume. The volume is a number of amount or number of data generated by every second by each and every social media or IoT device, transaction or sensor, etc. The data comes from the various sources which is come under generated with the every seconds. Can you say an example for volume, Jenny?
Facebook generates over 500 terabytes of in daily life. For example, Facebook gives us about advertisement and then news and many information for the daily updates.
The next topic is velocity. The velocity describes the speed of information or data that will be generated, processed and analyzed. It is mostly come under the rapid processing under the derived insights, which is in the real-time example. Jen, can you say one example for velocity?
We can say online payment. In online payment, first we'll generate the PIN and then that will be proceed, and then that our bank balance will be checked, and then at last it will analyze whether the payment has been transition successfully or declined.
Then third one is variety. The variety is come under the different types of data which will be stored under the structured, semi-structured and unstructured. The structured, semi-structured and unstructured are examples are, can you say the example, Jenny?
For structure we can say database, and then for semi-structure we can say XML, and then for unstructured like text, image and then video, etc.
In structured database, it is full come under the database SQL tables. But in semi-structured, it's in coding languages XML, which contains the images and other coding languages also. Unstructured is text, images, videos, and social media posts. These are some of the examples. The next is veracity. It includes veracity includes the quality and trustworthiness of the data, which will be most trustful when we are using the social media post and we are posting the information. Jenny, can you say one example?
Social media post might include fake or biased information. This is a best example for veracity.
Yes, when we are using the social media posts, we can't say that everything will be the trust and the truthful of the information. Some of the information will be the fake and some of the information will be the biased information, that is morphing from other information. The last one is value. The value is come under the how meaningful and how the importance of the messages or data according to the business value or according to the customer value. Moreover, if the data is value only, the customer will be enhanced and they will use the particular thing. Otherwise, they won't listen to, or the relevant data will be the most useful for the customer. Jenny, can you say one example?
Customer behavior analysis can optimize marketing strategy. For example, when we see at least about 10 advertisement, when we compare that, only 5 advertisement will be benefit for us, and that product only we will buy and use.
Others we won't see, and and otherwise we won't listen to the particular advertisement. This will be come under the value. This 5 types, the characteristics of big data is more useful in our everyday life, and it also used for decision making in our real life problem.